Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to take you on an epic journey to unlock the secrets of waves. Whether it's the waves crashing on the beach or the invisible ones bringing Wi-Fi to your phone, waves are everywhere. And guess what? They're more fascinating than you might think. Alright, let's dive in. First off, what are waves? Imagine tossing a stone into a calm pond. The ripples that spread out, those are waves. In simple terms, waves are just disturbances that transfer energy from one place to another. Now, waves come in all shapes and sizes. There are two main types: mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves, like sound waves or ocean waves, need a medium to travel through, like air or water. On the other hand, electromagnetic waves like light and radio waves can travel through the vacuum of space. Yep, that means you're literally seeing light from the sun that traveled through space to reach your eyes. Let's talk about the parts of a wave. Picture a wave in your mind. The highest point is called the crest. The lowest point, that's the trough. The distance between two crests or two troughs is called the wavelength. And the number of waves passing a point in 1 second, that's the frequency measured in hertz. Now here's where it gets really cool. Did you know that different frequencies of waves affect us in different ways? For instance, low-frequency sound waves can make you feel like the ground is shaking, while high-frequency waves might be so high-pitched that only certain animals can hear them. Think of a dog whistle. Dogs can hear it, but we can't. Mind-blowing, right? Speaking of mind-blowing, let's talk about Wi-Fi. Ever wondered how you're able to stream your favorite shows and browse Instagram? That's all thanks to electromagnetic waves, specifically radio waves. Your router sends out these waves, which your devices pick up to get you connected to the internet. It's like magic, but it's really just science. And let's not forget about light waves. The colors we see are just different wavelengths of light. Red has a longer wavelength, while violet has a shorter one. That's why rainbows are so colorful. They're a spectrum of light waves being separated by water droplets in the sky. So next time you're jamming to your favorite song, surfing the web, or enjoying a sunset, take a moment to think about the incredible world of waves making all of that possible. They're not just a part of science class, they're a part of your everyday life. And now you know the secrets behind them. Thanks for joining me on this wave-tastic adventure. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you later.